Are you interested in starting a boom lifting rental business in South Africa? In this video, we'll provide you with some helpful steps to get started. Step 1. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential customers and competitors in the area. Step 2. Determine the types of boom lifts you want to rent out, considering factors like size, capacity, and demand. Step 3. Identify a suitable location for your business, ideally close to construction sites or industrial areas. Step 4. Secure the necessary licenses and permits required to operate a rental business in South Africa. Step 5. Purchase or lease high-quality boom lifts from reputable manufacturers or suppliers. Step 6. Establish a pricing strategy that is both competitive and profitable for your business. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan to promote your boom lifting rental services through online and offline channels. Step 8. Create a user-friendly website where potential customers can learn more about your offerings and make bookings. Step 9. Invest in equipment maintenance and regular inspections to ensure the safety and reliability of your boom lifts. Step 10. Hire knowledgeable and skilled staff to handle operations and customer inquiries effectively. Step 11. Offer excellent customer service to build a strong reputation and encourage repeat business. Step 12. Develop partnerships with construction companies, contractors, and event organizers to expand your customer base. Step 13. Consider offering additional services like operator training or delivery options to differentiate your business. Step 14. Continuously monitor industry trends and adapt your rental offerings to meet changing customer demands. Step 15. Maintain accurate financial records and seek professional advice to manage your business finances effectively. Step 16. Implement a booking and inventory management system to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. Step 17. Network with industry professionals and attend trade shows to stay updated on the latest boom lifting technology. Step 18. Allocate a portion of your budget towards marketing and advertising to attract new customers. Step 19. Stay updated on South African regulations and industry standards to ensure compliance and safety. You can buy the boom lifting equipment at Aftermart or at Truck and Trailer. Simply surf their websites to choose an affordable machine for you. They start from 289,995 to 854,900 rand. A boom lifting machine that can lift up to 12 meters can be rented out for 3,800 rand per day. For more information about how much you can rent out a boom lift, please go to plantindex.co.za. Step 20. Finally, remain dedicated and persistent as starting a business takes time and effort. Success will come with patience and perseverance.